MarketPulse, Thursday, April 16th. Stocks close broadly higher as diplomatic hopes spark a relief rally across major indices. All three major indices finished in the green today. The S&P 500 gained 18.33 to close at 7,041.28, up 0.26%. The Dow added 115 points to 48,578, up 0.24%. The Nasdaq outpaced with a gain of 86.68 to 24,102, rising 0.36%.
The rally was fueled by renewed diplomatic optimism, as President Trump indicated. He may travel to Islamabad if progress continues on Iran negotiations. Sources report talks are turning toward an interim deal despite rifts over nuclear work. The prospect of de-escalation sent risk assets higher, while the VIX fear gauge dropped 1.3% to 17.94.
The sector heat map showed broad green, with 8 of 11 sectors finishing positive. Energy led gains at 1.5%, followed by communication services up 1.3% and technology advancing 1.1%. Only 3 sectors closed red, led by healthcare down 0.8%. The rotation favored cyclical and growth sectors as diplomatic hopes reduced geopolitical risk premiums. Energy's leadership reflects both oil market dynamics and reduced war premium. Technology's strength signals renewed appetite for growth stocks. Meanwhile, defensive healthcare lagged as investors rotated out of safe haven trades into more economically sensitive names. Individual stock winners were led by chip names. AMD surged 7.8% on strong demand outlook. Intel jumped 5.5% in sector sympathy. Telecom giants Verizon and AT&T gained 3.9% and 3.7% respectively on 5G momentum. IBM added 2.5% on AI optimism. On the downside, GE tumbled 5% leading industrial weakness. Thermo Fisher fell 3% in the healthcare sell-off. Boeing dropped 2.3% despite defense exposure. Merck declined 2.1%. And Johnson & Johnson fell 1.7% as investors rotated out of defensive pharmaceutical names.
In commodities, oil markets showed mixed action, with WTI crude falling 1.5% to 89.89, while Brent gained 3.3% to 98.10. Gold edged up 0.2% to 48.11.20. Bitcoin climbed 0.6% to 75,270. The 10-year yield rose 3 basis points to 4.31%. After the bell, Netflix reports quarterly results with subscriber growth and content spending in focus. Employment data showed mixed signals, with job changes coming in below estimates. Tomorrow brings additional economic data as markets continue to weigh diplomatic progress against ongoing geopolitical risks and inflation concerns.
3 things to watch tomorrow. Number 1, Netflix earnings results and subscriber metrics after the close today. Number 2, any further developments on Iran diplomatic talks and potential breakthrough signals. Number 3, continued sector rotation dynamics as investors balance growth optimism with defensive positioning amid ongoing geopolitical uncertainty. MarketPulse is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this episode constitutes financial advice or investment recommendations. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results.